Hi everybody, Jimi D for Anyone Can Learn Guitar. Live with what's probably, if not my favorite guitar, one of my favorite guitars. This is my 1961 Fender Stratocaster. I love Stratocasters because they're so versatile, man. They can do so many different things. And I wanted to do a quick rundown on kind of some of the primary functions of them. I don't have the best angle here for you to see it. I'll stand up a little bit. Come a little closer. So the Stratocaster is incredible for functionality, and one of the biggest reasons why is where this volume knob is. This volume knob is right where your hand's gonna be, and so is the toggle switch. This is the volume control for all three pickups. This is the tone knob for that pickup. This is the tone knob for that pickup, the middle pickup. So lots of different sounds here, and that's what I wanted to talk about a little bit with the Stratocaster. All the way up on the toggle switch is just the neck pickup, so you get a more bassy tone. So I'm going to play the same riff over all five pickup settings so you can hear kind of the tonal differences. Now I go to the next position. That's these two pickups together. I go to the next position. That's the middle pickup setting. That's the Strat's the only guitar that has that sound. Now you go to the next pickup setting. Second from the bottom, that's these two pickups. I go all the way down. Now we have the bridge pickup setting. Much brighter tone. So again, all the way up is the neck pickup. Second position is the neck and middle pickups. And the middle is the middle pickup. Then we have the middle and bridge. And all the way down is just the bridge. So we're going to play around with this for a minute. Kind of show you some of the different tones you can get out of it. That was the bridge pickup. Now bridge and middle. Same sort of motif. So it gets more nasally that way between the bridge and the bridge and middle. So now we're going to go to the middle pickup setting. And this is the one setting that a Stratocaster has that no other guitar really has this tone. to the second from the top. That's these two pickups. Now this is sort of the quintessential Strat thing. Now all the way up is the neck pickup, same sort of motif. So that's the 5 different basic tones that you get from the Fender Strat, man. I hope this is a little bit helpful for you guys. I love doing these videos because when I started playing, nobody showed me any of this stuff, man. I was just banging around on Strat going, what's this do and what's that do? And I could hear the difference, but I didn't know what it was. You know, nobody ever sit down and explained it to me, so I hope it's helpful for you. Peace, everybody.